Welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make a delicious Caesar salad dressing. Very famous, almost a century old. It needs quite some ingredients. It is an amazing salad dressing. I'm Wes, let's get started. I've been experimenting quite a while to really get a delicious Caesar salad dressing, but this is definitely my favorite composition. So what we need is balsamic vinegar, Xeres vinegar, half a pressed lime, a garlic clove, 1.5 teaspoon of Tabasco, and very important, 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce, 2 hard-boiled eggs. In the original recipe they are 1 minute boiled eggs, 2 egg yolk, 50 grams of parmesan cheese, 10 anchovy fillets, 8 centiliters of walnut oil, and 50 centiliters of liquid cream. The hard-boiled eggs, the garlic, grated parmesan, anchovy fillets, half a pressed lemon, Xeres vinegar or balsamic vinegar, and we're going to blend this in a little bit before we add the rest. We're going to add the egg yolk, blend it in a little bit. And now we're going to add our walnut oil slowly, just like you're making a mayonnaise. So we're going to add our liquid cream, our Tabasco, and very important, the Worcester sauce. And we're going to blend this in for another 1 or 2 minutes. You don't want to blend it too much because the cream is going to become too thick. 1 minute is okay. We're going to have a little taste of this. Delicious. And here you go. And here we have our beautiful Caesar salad dressing. Not difficult to do and so tasty. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. All that's left to say for me is bon appetit. I'll see you back soon.